He said, yeah. This one's fake, but my face from sunscreen is white, but that's cool. I just met the nicest girl, and I'm outside. When you record on Snapchat and you slide it to make like a full video, it doesn't work. I got this. I should take a picture. Oh shit. And because my mom is strict and she doesn't like to be bothered, so it's gonna be kind of hard, but I'll get back to y'all. This is my hair. It looks so weird, bro. But I can't flip it until she gets until my mom gets done. Then I can flip it. Hopefully she let me drive us home. Can I set my phone up here? Yeah. My hair looks crazy, but I'ma style it. So don't say nothing, y'all. I didn't really ask them to style it. I just wanted it straightened so I can hurry up and just stop worrying about it. Lashes can be done right now because if my hair is short, everything is gonna be extra. My eyelashes are not short though. It's taking my mom so long. She probably doing it on purpose. Oh shit, my hair got in my eye. Mom, I figured out how to adjust the seat.
That's alright. I got it. The number to put back to mine.
Can I try?
No, girl.
I have my glasses. Wait, I'm adjusting it back.
You ain't got Alright, you have a good night.
Wrap my hair finally correctly for the first time after getting a silk press for my 100th time. I don't know how to wrap it.
Nice guys finish last. Maybe the mean guys beat the crap out of the nice guys. So when the girls show up, everyone else is round. Did you say anything, George?
I picked up her books and I left her seat.
Oh man, this is major. What's your name?
Pansy.
Right? Just this video.
Captain America was a 8. Had to be.
I like that.
It was an 8 or 9. It was probably a 10.
It wasn't no 10 now. 8 or 9 is okay.
Black people. Why can't it be a 10?
You can do whatever you want to put on that child.
I mean, it has some black people in it, so it was like a 9. I'm talking to my camera that I'm recording you on.
You better not be. Okay. Do I want rice or do I want...
Then when I post it, I'm going to be talking to the chat.
Not while I'm in the car.
They're going to be like, hi, Miss Lady, or whatever her name is. But anyways, whatever.
You know what? I'm getting KFC.
If you want to.
Yeah, I do. I don't think I want that rice. I don't want that rice. I don't want it.
My hair looks so bad. With it straight, I kind of look less like an old lady, but
fuck, that means we gotta go back.
Curled, either way would look old. But I'm not old, so. Go KFC? Back where?
KFC this way.
KFC, I don't know. I be using the GPS.
Fuck.
It's this way, yeah.
Yeah, back that way. Okay.
I don't go there, so.
Excuse me. Just about the same, so.
Mom, wait, don't turn that music on. Mom, don't turn that music on. I was gonna ask you if you could do a Q&A with me.
I said no.
I didn't even ask you yet.
What I just said? I'm trying to think. See, I should have went the fucking back way.
GPS.
To KFC. God damn it. Start going on Main Street. Too late now.
She's playing music on my video. I'm gonna mute this out. I'm gonna put you on camera, Mom.
I done said no.
Then don't look at me. Then don't look at me now.
Fuck. Don't tell me that damn train again?
My teeth look white.
Fuck. Don't tell me that train is a fucking get.
They act like that place is so delicious. It's behind you. Not you, but behind us.
I hear it.
KFC right there.
Yeah. There's a back way to get to them. That's what I was saying.
Rocho's Deli. I've always wanted to eat there.
No lights on around.
You don't know what they got.
She must be don't know. She got some good eyes.
It's probably broken.
Yeah, it's broken. Her eyes that good. She forget to put it on.
Yeah,
That's
whatever.
a good eye, I'm telling you.
Riding with no lights by choice. That's kind of weird. Kind of weird. KFC. I need to work at KFC. Yeah, right. Ouch. This hoodie pulling the white scope.
Yes, could I get the 8-piece meal original? Let me get the coleslaw. You want mac and cheese?
Yeah.
And the mac and cheese. And that'll be it. Thank you.
All they got is mac and cheese.
We got mac. I'm not going there. You done been here before.
I don't know what they have.
Okay.
What else do they have?
Nothing else.
Well, I just want to know. Mom, what else did they have?
Yeah.
I don't care for KFC.
I'm getting a headache. Hey, can I get some packs of honey and hot sauce? Yes.
Oh, let's go.
Thank you. You too.
You saved in a hoop on. You chasing around a nigga that care more about his fucking shoes than he do you. He don't love you. He don't.
So I'm going to the beach. I tried to fix my hair up a little bit. I'm going at 4:34. Yeah. And I have on these regular ass drawers. Like, bro, I don't know if I should wear them. Cause they're regular drawers. But I'm not really going to show off. I'm just going to have fun. Gotta put my earrings in. My hair looks so crazy. Dang, it's cold. I gotta get my jacket. It feels like it's. Thank you. I feel like it's gonna get cold.
I know, I got a blanket. We'll be okay.
I hope it don't get cold. I got my speaker. Say hey to my vlog. Dang, where can I put this?
Oh,
Let me put it in the
Do
back.
you need to your seat back? Oh,
Yeah.
hi.
Is it at the bottom?
Yeah.
It's like my
Oh,
car.
I gotta start.
I'm surprised your friend's not going.
Well, we went yesterday.
Oh, that's cool.
And then the other one got called into work.
Oh,
So we just
my hair looks a mess. Like, this is the easiest style I can do right now. But I can't wait to get braids or something.
Yes, it would be rock that.
look like this ass. I don't really care today.
Do you care if I stop at work?
I don't care. It's cool.
It's
Can we stop by the store before?
Yeah, do you want to just
Yeah, I want to get some fruit. Yeah.
There's like a Publix on the island. Stop there. Or we can stop sooner. Up to you.
Yeah, if we can stop, like, it don't matter. If you don't mind stopping, like, it's Publix is up there. Right?
There's a Publix on Children's Island, which is like
Oh, okay.
20 minutes. And just get snacks there. Or we can go, I don't care. We can go anywhere.
Okay.
I'm chilling.
How's your semester?
Good.
That's good.
Not failing any classes yet.
Yeah, I have to get this math down. Like, I'm a freshman. What about you?
What?
I'm a freshman. What about you? Are you a freshman?
I'm a sophomore. But I should be a freshman. I just took college classes in high school.
Oh, that's good.
This one's fake, but they're
Start. Yeah, buddy. It's so quiet. It's too quiet. Damn. I'm looking for socks to get in my car. I mean, sand. Right here looks so good. Right here looks good. Do you want to see it? No, that's way far.
there's just people like in the way.
It don't matter. You can go anywhere.
Let's go down like one. I'm ready you to help me.
That dog is so cute. Okay, help you do it.
I'm ready you to help me take like a picture of my board.
Okay. The fact that we've only like texted and met, like they could take me to the beach.
Yeah, of course.
Alright. Oh yeah, this is good. The sand is good. Right here? I got sand in my shirt. I need to get a new beach towel, bro. Hey, enemies.
You want to sit on this?
Bro, look at my little ass phone.
Bro, you can sit on my blanket and then use your phone.
Alright. I don't want to get your thing dirty. I literally tore this thing up and it flipped over. I have flipped it. And we got watermelon in my cheap box of watermelon. Whoa. don't get it. I need to connect my Bluetooth. This is what a real nigga do. He proposed to his girlfriend on the beach. What? Am I wrong for that? Don't look at me like that. Yeah, I'm wondering what you waiting on. Where's my ring at? Should I send that to my man? But why is it looking like that? Am I wrong for that? Girl, come on. They're taking a bunch of pictures. She better propose to me on the beach. I'm not lying. I'm gonna literally make that known. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram story and be like, I wanna get married on the beach, and if you don't, then we're done. If you don't marry me by 22, then we're done. That's valid. Because usually they be playing if they don't. It's like I'm just
White Iver song. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want something. I'm balling all the time. White Iver song. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want something.
Oh, that's so cute.
every time I go to the beach, I have a certain glow. Like, y'all should go to the beach. Like, this necklace I've had for a while, but anyways, I feel better. I ate a lot and my face was really fat, so I'm gonna get back to y'all, but I feel really good. Like,
I'm going to CVS. I got my stuff. My afro is still up. I just touched my food and touched my hair. Anyways. Look, I was gonna wear this as like a dress, but I keep pressing on my breast. God, I hope I don't get any harm, dude. But anyways, I had got my robe and my washing powders and 1 bar of soap. I forgot to get, I got Arby's too, my turkey ranch bacon sandwich, so simple. I forgot to get tissue, but whatever. I'm going back to my dorm.
Relationship apart because when you get on YouTube and you do like videos, they be really invested in that shit. Oh, I know that dude. They be really invested into relationships. Yeah, no. So you, did Dr. Pepper out. Do you notice something different? You notice something different? What? You don't notice? See? What? It's a filter! It looks ugly. What? It looks ugly. What filter? What's the filter, bro? I don't see anything. Filter looks ugly, bro. But I look ugly right now.